Inspired by real events. Tyler McCormick, 33, Orlando, Orange County, Florida. It started when Tyler, wild-eyed and shirtless, sprinted across Colonial Drive, police sirens howling behind him. In one hand, he gripped a battered birdcage. Cops cornered him, but with a shriek, his blue and gold macaw, Mango, burst from the cage, swooping straight at the nearest officer's face. As the cops stumbled, Mango dropped a jangling set of keys right into Tyler's palm. Bold caption, Parrot delivers the keys. Tyler leapt into the idling police cruiser, Mango screeching war cries from his shoulder. Tires screeched. He floored it, blasting through red lights, Mango pecking at the radio and accidentally triggering the siren. Squad cars gave chase, but Tyler veered onto a golf course, mowing down sand traps and scattering golfers. Bold caption, pure chaos unleashed. Just as police boxed him in, Mango yanked the cruiser's window controls, causing the bird to escape right into a sand trap, where it started digging furiously. Tyler, desperate, tried to follow, but was tackled by officers. Bold caption, the Parrot escapes. Both man and bird were arrested, only in Florida.